Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode from ReneEnergy.com. Today, we're stepping into the future of emergency power supply with a focus on green hydrogen, an incredible, clean energy source that is rapidly gaining traction. But why does this matter? It's simple: as we move further into the digital age, the need for reliable, sustainable power has never been greater. And that's where Proton Motors' innovative HyCabinet system comes into play. So, sit tight as we unveil the role of green hydrogen in emergency power supply, and how HyCabinet is setting new standards in this crucial sector. Why emergency power needs a green makeover. Imagine this: it's a regular day at the office. You're halfway through an important video conference, and suddenly, the power goes out. Traditional emergency power systems would kick in, often running on diesel generators. While these generators are generally reliable, they come with a host of problems. They're loud, they emit CO2, and let's not forget the logistical nightmare of keeping them fueled and maintained. In today's world, where sustainability isn't just a buzzword but a necessity, relying on these fossil fuel guzzlers is increasingly unacceptable. Not only do they contribute to climate change, but they also violate various environmental regulations. Plus, let's face it, fossil fuels are not going to last forever. This is where green hydrogen steps in as the game changer. Hydrogen, when used in a fuel cell like Proton Motors' HyCabinet, offers a clean alternative that produces water as its only byproduct. That's right, no harmful emissions, and an almost poetic completion of the water cycle. Additionally, fuel cells are quieter and require less maintenance compared to their diesel counterparts. In essence, green hydrogen provides a sustainable, reliable, and eco-friendly solution for emergency power needs, making it not just an alternative, but the future. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the revolutionary HyCabinet system by Proton Motor, and find out what makes it the best-in-class choice for emergency power systems. Introducing HyCabinet, where reliability meets eco-friendly emergency power. Welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into a game-changing solution that's revolutionizing the world of emergency power, the HyCabinet, developed by none other than Proton Motor. With more than 2 decades of experience in clean tech solutions, Proton Motor isn't new to creating groundbreaking technologies, and the HyCabinet is their latest marvel. So what makes the HyCabinet so special? Unlike traditional emergency power systems, the HyCabinet is designed for both indoor and outdoor settings, offering a versatile solution for all your power needs. Think healthcare, data centers, or any other key infrastructure, HyCabinet is the perfect fit. Customization is at the core of the HyCabinet's design. It's available in various sizes and performance classes, making it possible to tailor the solution to your specific requirements. Want to ramp up your power output? No problem, simply add more fuel cell modules. This modular system offers unparalleled adaptability. Now, let's talk about its fuel cell technology. This is not just any UPS system. The HyCabinet brings a UPS system and a fuel cell system together to provide a consistent and ultra-reliable power supply. And when we say reliable, we mean 100%, even down to milliseconds. Here's a quick summary of what the HyCabinet offers. Zero emission operation. Exceptional reliability. Minimal maintenance needs. Versatility in size and scalability. Moreover, the HyCabinet aligns with eco-friendly norms and contributes to reducing your carbon footprint, ensuring compliance with stringent environmental regulations. So, if you're on the lookout for an emergency power solution that not only ensures reliability but also champions sustainability, the HyCabinet by Proton Motor is your answer. Stick around as we delve further into the unique features of this revolutionary technology. Breaking down the HyCabinet technology, the engine room of power and reliability. Hold on to your seats because we're about to embark on a deep dive into the inner workings of the HyCabinet. If you've ever wondered what makes this beast tick, this is your chance to find out. First up, let's talk about the fuel cell modules, the heart and soul of the HyCabinet system. Developed by Proton Motor, these modules are like finely tuned engines that convert hydrogen into electrical power. They are the backbone that provides the constant energy supply you can count on. And the best part? It does all this without emitting a single molecule of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. That's right, clean, green power right at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The HyCabinet is no one-trick pony. It comes with an integrated uninterruptible power supply, UPS, system. Now, what does this mean for you? Well, imagine a scenario where you experience a sudden power outage. The UPS system kicks in within milliseconds to keep your critical operations running seamlessly. Think of it as the HyCabinet's inbuilt safety net, catching you whenever there's a fall in power. Are you worried about power requirements for larger setups? Don't be. The HyCabinet is designed for scalability. By integrating multiple fuel cell modules in either staggered or parallel configurations, it can be custom tailored to meet the power requirements of any industrial application. In simpler terms, whether you're running a small business or a large data center, the HyCabinet has got you covered. What ties all these features together is the smart control system of the HyCabinet. This intelligent system coordinates between the UPS and fuel cell modules, ensuring that you have a continuous, efficient, and environmentally friendly energy supply. It's like having a master conductor directing an orchestra of technologies to work in harmony, bringing you the best of both worlds, reliability and sustainability. So the next time you're faced with the crucial task of choosing an emergency power system, remember what the HyCabinet brings to the table. Cutting-edge fuel cell modules. Rapid response UPS system. Scalable configurations. Smart control for seamless operation. Applications and use cases. The HyCabinet's chameleon capabilities. Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, the HyCabinet by Proton Motor is the embodiment of that philosophy. Not only does it excel as an emergency power system, but it also has an arsenal of applications that can be deployed across multiple sectors. Let's take a closer look at how this jack of all trades is making waves in the industry. The data center dynamo. In the age of big data, the heartbeats of corporations can be heard humming in their data centers. A momentary loss of power can translate into a catastrophic loss of data, something no company can afford. This is where the HyCabinet jumps into the fray. With its quick response time and seamless transition to backup power, data centers can maintain uninterrupted operation, thus ensuring data integrity and business continuity. The industrial powerhouse. For manufacturers, downtime is the enemy. Whether you're producing car parts, chemicals, or candy bars, every minute your machines aren't running is a minute lost. Enter the HyCabinet, which not only provides instant backup power but also integrates flawlessly into existing industrial ecosystems. Its scalability means that it can power anything from a single assembly line to an entire factory, offering peace of mind along with its power. Critical infrastructure's best friend. When it comes to sectors like healthcare, emergency services, and utilities, the term critical takes on a whole new level of significance. The failure of power supply in these sectors could be disastrous. The HyCabinet offers not just a fail-safe against power loss, but also the assurance of clean energy. That means hospitals can keep life support systems running and emergency services can respond without a hitch, all while contributing to a greener planet. Customizable solutions. One of the most appealing aspects of the HyCabinet is its customizability. Whether you need low-power solutions for remote monitoring stations or high-power configurations for large-scale operations, the HyCabinet can be tailored to meet your specific needs. It's the Swiss Army knife of the hydrogen fuel cell world, equipped for any challenge you throw its way. The bottom line? The HyCabinet by Proton Motor is not just an emergency power supply, it's an emergency power supply on steroids. With its capability to adapt to various sectors and its customization to fit specific needs, it is redefining what backup power can do. It's a chameleon, a dynamo, a powerhouse, and a best friend all rolled into one. Sustainability and environmental impact, the green guardian of reliability. When we talk about the future, sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. And in that context, the HyCabinet by Proton Motor is nothing short of a poster child for eco-friendly emergency power systems. Let's delve into why it's much more than your average green machine. Built to last. One of the first things you'll notice about the HyCabinet is its remarkable reliability. Engineered for low maintenance, this system is as robust as it is efficient. But what does this mean for the environment? Simply put, lower maintenance equates to fewer parts needing replacement and, by extension, a reduction in waste. The HyCabinet is a long-term investment not just for your organization but also for the planet. Zero emissions, maximum efficiency. This hydrogen-powered marvel operates with zero emissions. Energy when you need it. The HyCabinet isn't just about clean energy, it's about smart energy. Its intelligent systems ensure optimal energy utilization, further reducing waste and maximizing efficiency. It's not just doing more with less, it's doing better with less, and doing it sustainably. Regulatory and policy aspects, the winds of change. In an era when climate change is more than a looming specter, it's a present reality. Policymakers are increasingly steering towards sustainable solutions. And the HyCabinet finds itself sailing smoothly with this wind at its back. Here's why. Alignment with green initiatives. Globally, governments are enacting policies to phase out fossil fuel-based backup systems in favor of green technologies. The HyCabinet is not just in alignment with these regulations, it's ahead of the curve. It presents a proactive solution for organizations to not only meet but exceed current sustainability standards. Financial incentives. Many regions are offering financial incentives for adopting green technologies. Implementing a HyCabinet system could make you eligible for tax breaks, subsidies, or even grants, providing an additional financial cushion to your eco-friendly leap. Future-proofing your operations. By choosing the HyCabinet, you're not just complying with existing regulations, you're preparing for future ones. As governments tighten emission standards and increase sustainability requirements, having a HyCabinet in place sets you ahead of the game. So, not only is the HyCabinet by Proton Motor a viable and efficient choice for today's needs, but it also positions you perfectly for the changing landscape of tomorrow's regulations. As we wrap up our in-depth exploration of HyCabinet by Proton Motor, it's evident that this is not just another product on the market, it's a movement toward a sustainable future. So, what does the road ahead look like for this revolutionary technology? The future is green and bright. First and foremost, green hydrogen technology is no longer a thing of the future, it's a thing of the now. And with systems like HyCabinet setting the pace, it's clear that the green hydrogen economy is picking up momentum. As more sectors tap into this clean and efficient energy source, the demand for sustainable and reliable solutions like HyCabinet will only grow. An expanding landscape. While HyCabinet is primarily designed to revolutionize emergency power supply, its potential applications are incredibly vast. From data centers to critical infrastructure and industrial settings, the footprint of this technology is set to widen. In a world where energy needs are escalating but resources are finite, solutions like HyCabinet are not just an option, they're a necessity. Paving the way for policy. On the regulatory front, the HyCabinet serves as an ideal case study for policymakers aiming to decarbonize energy systems. It stands as a tangible example of how green technology can meet high standards of reliability and efficiency while staying compliant with environmental goals. Your role in the revolution. Finally, as more people become aware of and start using green hydrogen solutions like the HyCabinet, the quicker we can achieve a zero-carbon future. Your choice to invest in or adopt this technology is not just an organizational decision, it's a global one. You become part of a larger movement steering humanity toward a sustainable future. So, here we are, standing at the cusp of a new era. With innovative, efficient, and green solutions like the HyCabinet by Proton Motor, the road to a zero-carbon future looks promising and achievable. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you're as excited as we are about the future of green hydrogen and emergency power, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge insights. Until next time, let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible and make the future a place we all want to live in. As we continue to explore and advocate for groundbreaking technologies, it's exciting to see products like HyCabinet redefine the norms of what's possible. We firmly believe that our collective small steps can lead to giant leaps in sustainability. So, that wraps up our comprehensive look at Proton Motor's HyCabinet. If you found this content enlightening, do give us a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the energy solutions of tomorrow. From all of us at ReneEnergy.com, thank you for watching, and let's continue powering a sustainable future, one innovation at a time. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.